What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the 2026 Ford Mustang, one of the most legendary names in the automotive world. It's got a fresh design, updated tech, and some serious performance upgrades, so let's get into what makes this new Mustang tick. Right off the bat, the design of the 2026 Mustang is sharp and aggressive. Ford managed to keep that classic muscle car DNA while pushing the styling into the future. The front end is wider and lower, with a redesigned grille and slimmer LED headlights that give it a more focused, modern look. Around back, the tri-bar taillights are still there, but they've been tweaked for a sleeker appearance. It's familiar, but definitely evolved. Pop the hood and you've got options. The base EcoBoost model comes with a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder that's been refined for better response and efficiency. But most people will have their eyes on the 5.0-liter Coyote V8 in the GT. In 2026, it delivers even more horsepower, with output now north of 500 horsepower depending on the trim. There's also a new Dark Horse model, which pushes performance even further with track-focused upgrades, a tuned suspension, and aggressive styling. The drive is where the Mustang continues to shine. Whether you're in the EcoBoost or the V8, the car feels planted, powerful, and responsive. Steering is tight and precise, and the ride is firm but not punishing. In the GT and Dark Horse trims, the exhaust note is loud, deep, and downright addictive. There's also a choice between a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, so whether you're a purist or just want quick shifts, Ford has you covered. Inside, the 2026 Mustang is a big step forward. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a sleek curved glass display that combines the digital instrument cluster and the central infotainment screen. It's all powered by Ford's Sync 4 system, which is quick, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin materials have improved, especially in the higher trims, and the layout feels sporty without being cramped. The seats are supportive for spirited driving but still comfortable enough for daily use. Rear seat space is still tight, as expected in a coupe, but the trunk is decently sized for a sports car. Ford also added some nice touches like customizable ambient lighting and a flat-bottom steering wheel that feels great in your hands. On the safety side, you get a solid set of driver assist features including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These aren't things you typically bought a Mustang for in the past, but it's great to see them here, especially if you plan to daily drive it. Fuel economy obviously depends on the engine, but Ford has made improvements across the board. The EcoBoost is the most efficient, and the V8 models still manage decent numbers for the amount of power they're putting out. What makes the 2026 Mustang special is that it stays true to its roots while fully embracing the future. It's still rear-wheel drive, still built for fun, and still instantly recognizable as a Mustang, but now it's smarter, sharper, and more refined than ever. Whether you're after pure performance, daily usability, or just that unmistakable Mustang feel, this new model delivers. That's it for this review. If you enjoyed it, give the video a like and subscribe for more car reviews, comparisons, and everything automotive. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Mustang. Would you go EcoBoost, GT, or all out with the Dark Horse? Catch you in the next one.